But all the others is young one, 13, 14, 15. And then when you have a good result, if sometimes this happening, people not coming, they think, oh, it's not good, but this not help the man, the woman. I don't know if there is another athlete in other. I received in Jocelyn 26. What did you say? Yes.
The salary for after
So today I'm not review any place for her. My provision for her is to finish the race. Because today 5 girls stop. Maybe 5 or 4 girls. I don't have an idea. But I could see 4 girls stop the race because it's too hot. The weather is hot. But she finished the race. And then my first proposed to her to finish the race. I said to her, Ameera, your function today is finish the race. You can swim as best you can, bike consistent, and keep run until finish the race. Okay? If you feel this and finish the race, coach will be very proud. And then I'm very proud about her because she finished the race with the very strong girls. A good lesson for her and good lesson for the other that's coming and watch the race. But my preview is for her to finish the race. Okay.